What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. I am your host, Cameron Salapak, and in this episode, we're going to be building the Baja light bar for the turret. Now, you may be asking, why are you building something that doesn't need to be built just yet? Well, listen, Linda, it was my birthday weekend, and that's what I wanted to do, so yeah. So you can kind of see what I'm thinking. I kind of wanted a nice curve right here. However, my Harbor Freight tube bender doesn't do that much of a bend for what I'm looking for. So I decided, I was like, wait a minute, what if I just did for each end, make two 90-degree things, which is 1, 2, and then kind of cut it somewhere in here, which will create height that I want to fit all my lights in there. Put a long bar through here on the bottom and the top, and then all the little supports in the middle with all my tabs and stuff. Okay, everybody, so we have gotten both of the ends bent and the middle sections cut and tacked on. It is time to finish this Baja light bar up. Alright, you guys, kind of see it kind of taking form now. I still would like to clean up these welding spots here and make them flat and flush the best I can. And then next part is going to be cutting the bars that section it out. The idea is to have 2 on each outside and then 4 kind of in the middle. And then in between the 2 on each outside, there's going to be like a bar here and a bar somewhere in here. Now I'll do exact measurements and make tabs and put everything back and get everything pretty spot on. Next thing's next is to cut this pipe twice, one for there and one for there. Here's what I'm thinking. I've gotten everything pretty lined up to kind of where I think everything should be. These are, for the most part, measured. Create 8 brackets, little brackets for each of the lights. Well, you guys, it's 11 o'clock-ish at night. I have all the tabs made. I have 4 of 8 welded on. Hurt myself on my tattoo, which I am completely upset about. I think it'll be okay. It's not too bad, but it still makes me upset because I know better. So here's what we got. 4 in the middle there. Just some slight adjustments and like some tabs that need hammered to get like the angle right and stuff. The other 2 on each end, they need welded on, but nonetheless, I'm super happy with how this is coming out. From struggling on welding my first little cube to building a light bar is progress over perfection for sure. I'm happy with how far I've come. I still have a lot to learn, but we're getting there. So the next thing is to design and cut out the tabs that will mount onto the tubing. So this is kind of what I have in mind here. We'll get cut out and I go like that. We'll figure out the angle. a little bit of cleaning up to do with this one here, with that little edge right there, but I have them welded on. I'm gonna clean them up. But for now, we are going to mount all of the lights on it and mount it. There it is, guys. Now there's still some adjustments that I need to do on the tabs and bend them a little bit to get things to line up and, you know, get the lights a little more straight. A couple pieces of metal and a lot of lights. I think it came out pretty darn good. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in and watching me build this hectic thing. It was a bit challenging, but still some things to do. But hey, I did it. I did it. That's all that matters, right? That's how you learn.